So I recently purchased this Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system. I've been in the market looking for a good blender for quite some time. I had a blender that was about 8 or 9 years old, and it started to show its age. It wasn't chopping as nice as it was prior. The blade's getting really dull, so I knew it was time to get a new one. So one thing I liked about this blender right off the bat is the suction cups on the bottom. Put it on the countertop. I don't want this thing to start rolling and moving around when I'm blending. So that added touch there, the suction cups definitely comes in hand. You don't think about that, but it's something that you really need as a feature. So I use my blender all the time. One prior to this, I'd probably use about 3 to 4 times a week, whether I'm doing chopping or smoothies, etc. And this one picks up plus more. One of the standout features of this Ninja is its multifunctionality, and it has 5 distinct functions. One is smoothies, chopping, dough preparation, and more. It covers a wide range of kitchen tasks with ease, more than I had ever dreamed with a blender. From blending nutritious smoothies to effortlessly chopping vegetables, the system handles everything I can throw at it. I've thrown in, celery sticks, carrots, it chops it up smooth. So let's talk about the Auto IQ technology. This is one aspect I particularly appreciate it. This intelligent feature simplifies the blending food and process by offering pre-programmed settings for different tasks. So this ensures a results without need for constant monitoring. So for example, if you know you're going to do a smoothie that has fruits and vegetables, pre-program it and it's perfect every single time. You don't have to sit there and watch it. So this helps me in my morning routine. So the blender cup, it's easy to fill and assemble and use. The easily clean blades and cups, the blades are nice and tough. They cut through frozen and fresh fruit and vegetables like a hot knife through butter. I do have to re-blend sometimes the frozen items, but it gets through it really fast. You can definitely tell that Ninja thought about the consumer when building this product. It's very well made, it's really thought out, the process, and it really hits all the buttons that you need. So in conclusion, this Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. I've used it now for about a month straight, and every time I use it, I'm impressed. It's fairly easy to clean, just keep up with that, and also like it has a cookbook manual as well. So I've tried a couple of those recipes as well. So I'll give it a 5-star rating. Hope you enjoy.